Can Dogecoin reach $100? Elon Musk reveals the end price of Dogecoin. Dogecoin has garnered quite a lot of attention this year from crypto traders, meme accounts, and even pop culture fans who watch Saturday Night Live. However, the recent fluctuations in its price have left crypto investors around the world asking the very same question: what price will Dogecoin reach? Will Dogecoin reach $1? Will Dogecoin reach $2? Or will Dogecoin reach $100? Now, this is a question that would make most value investors squirm. That's because trying to produce a trustworthy prediction for the future price of a crypto is a difficult thing to accomplish. However, that doesn't mean we can't look at the evidence and draw some conclusions, right? But before we delve any deeper, it's important to understand the primary drivers behind the value of Dogecoin. Now, the first driver of Dogecoin's fundamental value as a unit of exchange, and it does have some, that's because its block time of 1 minute is significantly less than both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it processes transactions faster than Litecoin. Well, for a meme crypto that was historically used for tipping content creators, this is rather impressive. Then we come on to the second key driver behind Dogecoin's value: market sentiment. For cryptocurrencies, this factor adds to the high volatility. And as you already know, with Elon Musk being the most famous face associated with Dogecoin, his tweets drastically impact Dogecoin prices. The correlation between his tweets and price surge is just too evident to ignore. At the beginning of this year, on February 4th, Elon Musk tweeted Doge, just one word. The price was about 0.034 at the beginning of the month, and the price peaked at 0.078 by the 5th of February. Well, such is the effect of his tweets. After the entire SNL fiasco where he mentioned he'll be talking about Dogecoin on the popular show, and just as he did so, the price peaked in the following days till 70 cents during his appearance at SNL, so you can see how celebrities can easily sway market sentiment. In addition, the general mood around the crypto camp is incredibly bullish. Dogecoin has experienced huge trading volumes in recent days, which is a pretty good thing. That's because a cryptocurrency's market cap and volume more or less represent the long-term popularity of a coin. Large cap tokens are usually regarded as secure assets for cryptocurrencies. Mid-cap cryptos, on the other hand, are more competitive than large-cap cryptocurrencies, but still possess much more growth ability. So does this imply that Dogecoin will see its value grow to $100 in the coming years? Now, there is one thing to note here: Dogecoin came pretty close to the dollar mark, and it'll likely reach this milestone or even surpass it to $2 in the next few years. Here's why. The Dogecoin Foundation is back with an advisory board that includes Ethereum's co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, and even Elon Musk representative, Jared Burchell. Buterin will be helping Dogecoin create a roadmap. In fact, he's even suggested that the meme coin shift to proof of stake in one of his tweets to perform better. That is because with staking, the coins are locked in for a period, which means even if the value increases, people wouldn't be able to sell or dump their coins in the market. So there is some sort of security for the investors and miners. With such newer projects and a complete roadmap under the works, this is one of the first steps the foundation is taking to build an ecosystem. When the projects are announced based on their merit and, of course, the noise credited by the self-acclaimed Doge father, Elon Musk, could propel the value to $1. In fact, the long-term forecast for Doge shows that the price will reach about 0.644 in 2025. The projected lowest price will be 0.5281, while the expected peak price could be 0.70350. And by 2030, it's estimated that the coin will reach the $2 to $4 mark easily. Therefore, $1 per Dogecoin is not a pipe dream, but what about $100? Well, sorry, Shibes, but $100 per Dogecoin is unachievable. Every other altcoin and cryptocurrency has followed the footsteps of Bitcoin in terms of its growth and value. Now, if Dogecoin were to reach $100, it means that the demand is that high. This, in turn, means that by the time Dogecoin reaches $100, Bitcoin's value should have proportionately increased as well, and that amount would be absurd. For each dollar increase in Dogecoin price, the market cap would need to rise by $180 billion. So for $100 per Dogecoin, the total market cap of Doge would be more than $18 trillion. To put it into perspective, the United States has a GDP of around $21 trillion, and China has approximately $15 trillion. So, if Dogecoin were to reach $100 in the next decade years, its market cap would be greater than China's economy and almost equal to the US economy. Pretty unrealistic, we must say. But then again, the meteoric rise of Bitcoin and Ethereum is evidence that anything can happen in the world of cryptocurrency. People didn't know about the value of Bitcoin, but they waited for over 6 years in order to reach $50,000 per coin and made huge exits. So if you're interested to invest money into Dogecoin, now is your time to invest because who knows? Dogecoin might very well be the next big thing. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Do you think it has a chance of hitting $10? Yes, $10, not $100, because as I've already explained, $100 is unachievable. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you found our video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.